the farm for the third winter share. We're in the office today because it's very cold and kind of snowing outside. We have some more potatoes in the share this week. They can just be kept on your kitchen counter. Same with the onions. And to pair with the potatoes, we have leeks, which we pulled out of the field after that really cold weather, so they made it through. When you're prepping leeks, cut the root end off, and then usually I'll slice the whole stem or stalk in half, chop it into pieces, you put it into a colander, and you run water over it to rinse the dirt out, because there will be dirt. Leeks accumulate dirt over the course of the season, and so you do have to rinse them or it'll be kind of gritty. But the potatoes and the leeks make a great pairing in potato leek soup with a little bit of garlic again. That can also be stored on your kitchen counter. The leeks should be in your refrigerator. We have some outdoor spinach again that we picked after that really cold weather. So if you see some leaves that maybe have some frost damage on them, those you might choose to discard, but it's extremely sweet because of that cold weather. The same with the kale. On the kale leaves, you can see they're kind of tinged or ringed with a little bit of a white color, which means that they've been through a frost typically, and that also brings the sugars out in the kale, so it's very sweet. Brussels sprouts, same with them as well. They've been sweetened up by the frost. You just trim the ends, and then you can cook them up. We have rutabaga from the field, which
harvested in a snowstorm.
Whitney says harvested in a snowstorm, which is very, very true. They're extremely sweet as well. Often I will just cut the top and the bottom off, peel them, and they're a great addition to a chicken noodle soup. And then we have for beets, Whitney, you can take over from there.
Beet medley, you're going to get gold, red, and Kiosia beets. The Kiosias, you'll know that they're different because they're that red and white kind of candy striped on the inside. Really good roasted or boiled. And then carrots, bolero carrots, harvested after frost. These are frosted. In the newsletter there is a site in case you're running out of ideas for carrots. There's a good link in there that kind of has different recipe ideas. And butternut squash, two squash. Typically just peel the squash, scoop out the seeds, cut it in half, scoop out the seeds, and then I like to roast it or put it in soup.
Yeah, and if you're lazy, you can not peel it and just cut it in half, scoop the seeds out, bake it, and then the peel on a butternut though usually is not edible. So one more winter share to go, 2 weeks from now, and it looks like it'll be a lot of storage crops again, but we may be able to get out with the warmer weather this week. We may be able to get out and cut spinach again, and some more field harvested kale. So keep your fingers crossed. Until next time, have a good one.
This week on the farm, we're just finishing up a few winter projects. As you can see, it's really muddy. Here's Eric putting in the new farmhouse driveway. Happy eating, everyone.